Hello, my amazing students. Welcome to Mrs. Buckner's English language class. In this video, we will focus on the topic of summary writing. The term summary refers to a shortened version of a long text which only highlights the important information. You can use the skills for summary writing across many writing genres. You can summarize an essay, a story, a historical event, or even a movie you have seen. How can I write a summary? If you want an answer to this question, please follow these steps and I'm sure you will be on the right track. Step 1. Read the passage first. Ensure that you understand what you have read. Use a dictionary for words you do not know, and you can add them to your personal list of new words. Step 2. Identify the main idea of the passage. What is the main idea? Well, the main idea is whatever the passage is all about. Step 3. Identify the supporting ideas or the supporting sentences. Anything that gives extra information about the main idea through examples, statistics, words, or phrases being repeated, that would be your supporting sentence. Once you have completed steps 1 through to 3, you are now ready for step 4. Step 4. Make notes of the main idea you have identified in step 2. This is important because this information will jumpstart your summary, and this is what you will want to communicate with your audience. Step 5. Write your first draft, after which you are going to eliminate words, phrases, or even sentences so that your summary is concise. Please note, do not include any examples, repetition, or statistics in your summary. Step 6. Write your second draft. In this draft, you are going to check for grammatical error, repetition, and try to see if your summary can even go shorter without you changing the original content. If you are following these steps, you are now ready to write your summary. I'm sure you all know the story of Hansel and Gretel. I want you to take a look at this summary of the story. See you next time!